And we also want to actualize the international part of this airport. So we shall have an immigration officer sitting here so that people can take their international flights to Serengeti and land here from Tanzania or wherever and begin their safaris in Kenya. I want to thank the people of Migori because when you hear the airlines operators have increased the frequencies, that means the people have embraced flying as opposed to driving. So it means there's a necessity to have this airport functioning fully. And as KAA, we shall embark on, we have many projects, and that is why we decided since yesterday and today, we are touring all projects within Western and Nyanza region, because it's a different thing. We want to do things differently. A lot of our airstrips and our airports were neglected. These facilities ought to have been done by those who were there way before us. But for one reason or another, it didn't happen. But as we say, God's time is the best time. His Excellency the President is key on infrastructure development. As he speaks about our road to Singapore, these are some of the little things that we do. Somebody may see that they don't matter, but in the long run, you will appreciate once this facility is up and running, it will attract businesses. And as you said, your question about businesses not coming up here, you wait and see. Once this building is up, there will be people who want to do business.
The construction of this terminal is an added impetus. Without it, I am sure just small flights would come here, small aircrafts and fewer flights. But now with this terminal under construction, you can see Skyward has stepped forward and agreed from 7th of February to start an additional flight. Many other airlines will come here, and Migori is a place on the move. As an administration, we are doing our local activities of expanding access road, supplying water to encourage investors to come to Migori.